Aloha lava, and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are taking our lead from Sam Wuching and his rugby and Siva Afi reel, and we are going behind the scenes of our lacrosse and Siva Afi reel. So enjoy! So this is Logan Tapwala. He is showing us how to do some tricks with the lacrosse stick and ball. Logan has been playing lacrosse for about 3-4 years now. He has represented Victoria in lacrosse and he still continues to love the sport, which is why we chose lacrosse for our TikTok. Unlike Logan's lacrosse portion of the video, the Siva Afi video only took 2 takes, and this is his first take, which is actually the part of the video that we used in our TikTok. We did take another shot of Logan doing the Siva Afi just so that we made sure that we had enough footage of Siva Afi, and so that we knew that we had the shot that we needed, just in case this one didn't work out. Here is Logan's second take of the Siva Afi portion. It was great, but we liked the first one better, which is why we used it. So after this, we edited it in TikTok and added some music. And here is the final version minus the music because of copywriting things.